Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can restore photos, pictures, or videos from the trash bin in Gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then tap on the Gallery app. Now if you don't find the Gallery app on your home screen, you can swipe up to go into the app screen, and then tap on Gallery. In here, tap on the option key at the top, and then tap on Trash. In the Trash page, you can select the photos that you want to restore. So touch and hold, and then select any of the photos that you would like to restore. And then tap on the Restore button down here, and now it will restore the selected photos. And you can go back to your albums or pictures and confirm those photos has been restored back to your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.